It's been a minute. I know. I got some updates on Scarlet, and I want to show you guys, and I want to show you some of the things I got to make what I'm trying to do work. So guys, what I got from EFI Connections. I will put the link to them in the description to help you guys with LT1s, small block Chevys, Gen 1, Gen 2. Look at some more. Yeah, let's see. Got all my receipts. EFI Connections. All right. So first, they're gonna give you the piece to delete the Opti, which the cam sensor go in from LS. So it'll go right there and just replace the Opti, guys. It's 24X. They also make 58X. The part is really good. I haven't opened it yet. I bought it like a while ago, like 3 months ago or 4 months ago. I can't remember. But yeah, just 24X one. Come with the shims for the crank sensor. I think I opened it. You do have to have a 96, which I do over here. Guys, don't worry about the mess. My mock-up motor / mock-up motor over there. But you do have to have a 96 timing cover to make this work, which I do have one from a spare motor I had. So, yeah. I do got some more parts. And also this the one-time gear to go on the cam. Pretty nice machine. Okay. So the way I was gonna make it work, I was gonna use, I went to the junkyard, I got an LS computer. Guys, excuse the mess. Once again, I do got an LS computer. This is from 03 Tahoe, I believe. So it will drive-by-wire. But this PCM is the, I think it's called the P59 or the P56, I don't know, I forget, which is capable of doing both drive-by-wire, drive-by-cable, flex fuel. Yeah, they could do flex fuel. I think the 04 only do drive-by-wire. So, see, this is some information for you guys. So let's get over here to it, and y'all see it. I know it's mounted. And I know I haven't been talking about it, but I haven't had time either. So I've just been working, just doing a little bit at a time. Today I just did this today, making some adjustments. When I do the stand-up radiator, see, it's kind of close, but I think I got enough room now, because it was kind of under it at first. I had to cut, push, and I made that work. So this is an eBay turbo. I want to say, what is it, 76 from what is called Max, I forget the eBay name, but it's the one that everybody likes to use. So I was gonna try it first, because I was gonna do a VS Racing 78, 75, and I was like, let's eBay it. But I am gonna put good stuff in the motor. It's gonna be fully forged piston, but I want to say DSS or DDS. No, it's DSS pistons. Forged Summit crank and some forged rods. I gotta look at the name of the rods. I forget. But yeah, this is my home turbo kit that I'm deciding to make. Since nobody really makes them for LT1s, you gotta make them yourself, you know? And also, guys, I got to put the link to that alternator bracket. Location, easiest setup ever. And it makes the engine bay look a lot better. This is just a mock-up motor, guys. This is the motor still in Scarlet. It's hurt. Turns out I can't use it. The lifter bore from the cam load been messed up. That lifter bore is like out of spec. It's like you can shake the roof side to side. But I guess they come from me moving the car around or whatever. I never let it run, but I didn't care. I got more blocks. I got one. I got two more in there. I got one at the machine shop already, so it's getting the goodies. I've been debating, trying to see if it was gonna stay a 350. More like this, gonna be a 355, which I'm cool with. So the boost will be good. So yeah, I just gotta do my exhaust. So how I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna loop it down, come under the sway bar, go back up behind here and out the back. I seen some other kids with the turbo sit right here. eBay sells a actual manifold, log manifold with a turbo sits here. And I was looking for something like that at first, but I was like, dang, can't find it. Try to make my own, and now I look again, it's on there. I was like, dang. So I just decided to keep going with this. So, oh yeah, I did say I've been making my own kits. So I've been practicing welding. And guys, don't talk about my welds. I'm not the best welder. I am self-taught, self-teaching. I do know how to put two pieces of metal together. That's what I'm good at. Hey, I'm not the best welder. But yeah, guys, I'm doing a stand-up radiator, so I will make a video of that. My core support is like damaged from the tow truck when I first got the car. He put the chain there. Ripped it, I didn't know, and he was gone. The company, well, the company, it was so long ago, like 2013 when I got this car, 12 I want to say. Yeah, so I've been thinking about drilling all the spot wheels out, taking out and go to the junkyard and get another one, or make my own. Since I'm learning how to weld, make my own type of little jig to hold my radiator up. And I went with a Griffin radiator. I will put the link in the description when I'll put it in the description now, but I am making a video about that. I know I've been off a little bit, guys. It's just a lot of stuff in life, you know, it's a lot going on. People is popping firecrackers the daily. So yeah. And talk about the throttle body. So guys, I have my buddy wheel up this LT1 throttle body onto LT1 intake to adapt an LS throttle body. I seen Fast Prom doing it to his dad's 89, 86, I don't know, Corvette with a small block Chevy. I think they're putting like a 6L80 behind a small block Chevy. I gotta look into that. That's pretty cool. But yeah, so matter of fact, now since I deleted all that, I can turn the throttle back that way. But the honest, I really do like this way. Tell me what y'all guys think about that. And I had my buddy weld it up. I got sidetracked. Had my buddy weld it up for me. All I did was buy ICT billet adapter plate for LS 324. And then he just welded it on, tigged it on. Did a damn pretty good job. And he added like a little reinforcement there. That's pretty cool. And I think I might get him to block that off. And we're gonna put the what sensor? The map sensor in the back. Probably delete some of the vacuum lines, vacuum ports. I'm not sure yet. I gotta finish porting it. I was porting it. I got one side ported, I gotta port the other side. Probably do ported heads. I probably port it myself. Trying to see what else I got to the car. I got the engine parts. I'm waiting on that crank to get here. So yeah, guys. And also, I know I haven't talked. My brother's car is not here anymore. I am gonna make a video about it. I did finish it. I am gonna put a clip of it. Like I said, I did finish it. Have a little problem with the trans. It is a 4L60 non-electronic. So it got the TV cable. Tried adjusting it. It didn't make no change. So sending it back to Buddy Furrow and get it looked at pretty soon here. Right now I think he's like getting it prepped, like cleaning the inside and stuff. It was pretty kind of a lot of stuff, a lot of parts in it. So when his car get ready, we will make a video. You guys will see it. We're here to idle. It does have a small Lloyd Elliott turbo cam in it, but you know, hey, he can run an NA for a little in it. So yeah, I had it in my car, and it sounded pretty good. Made pretty good power, but you know, it needs boost. So I don't know if he was gonna boost that motor. It is 40 over. I don't know. Guys, it's about the end of this video. Stay tuned for the next one. The next video, I will be putting in the standard radiator. I will make a video how to put a standard radiator in a F-body Trans Am or Camaro 4th gen. Stay tuned for that video. And guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. I know I've been playing with the videos. Y'all been waiting for videos, more content. I've been so busy, guys, but I'm gonna try my best to do at least like once a week. I promise. So guys, stay tuned, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.